guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. So, first off, I want to thank everybody for the birthday wishes, and I really enjoyed it. Not just the carving, but my birthday in general. So, thank you. And I hope you guys enjoyed that pumpkin carving video. And I hope y'all enjoy today's video. So, today, I'm going to carve this block of basswood into an angel in honor of my Papaw, who passed away in June of 2018. So, Papaw, I know you're in heaven watching over me, but this is for you. And I hope everyone who watches this enjoys it. So, let's get carving. All right, I got my Cuts-All Extreme flame burr loaded up, and it's go time. All right, so as I was cutting in the tops of the wings, I realized that I forgot to make a very important mark. Okay, this is the side of the angel, and I want to make the wings we'll go with 3/8 of an inch wide. So I'll make a mark there, and then even though the wings won't be going all the way down, I'm just going to ride the ruler down to the bottom. And I got my approximate center line here for reference. On this side, it's not really going to make any difference, but because mainly it's used on the front side. So, okay, I'm going to go 1/4 inch or 3/8 of an inch on this side for the same thing. And all the way down. And anything that's not used for the wing itself, I'll just see from about right here on, it'll be removed when I'm feathering away into the gown. Okay? And if I know I've carved, I've done videos carving basswood. I believe that's what my other angel carving video is with, but just in case it's not, basswood is very, very easy to carve. It is very soft. So, it's a beautiful wood, but it's more popular among knife carvers. Okay? But carve whatever you want to carve. Just, if you're a power carver and decide to use some basswood, take your time, because it'll disappear on you really quick. So, now, I got the top of the wings cut in roughly. So now I'm going to start on the back and feather in behind the wings and behind the head, and here we go. Just a quick word while I'm switching to my shaping burr. I know for a fact that in my first video that I've already had the angel drawn out when I started carving. But I learned this angel from a knife carver. He's got a YouTube channel. It's called Cousin Jack Carves. Okay? And I will be putting a link to his channel in the comment section for this video. So, he's a really good guy, carver, very talented, okay? And what I did a while ago is I made cut lines for the wings, okay? And then right here is where the skirt of the angel gown is going to start. I'll go in a little bit more, about a quarter to a half inch more. And then from here, obviously I'll start to curve the wing. But all this in here is going to be, the bulk of it is going to be called waste material. So it'll be removed. And I'm going to use this chisel bit to remove it so that I can better shape it as I'm feathering. That's the advantage of these cheap chisel bits. They're really good with basswood and butternut because they're softer woods, but they can shape any kind of wood that I've worked with so far. So let's get back to it. So now I'm going to switch burrs, and I'm actually going to use my taper burr to cut in the face. It's just going to be a blank basic face. So now we're pretty much done with the backside. Just got to sand it smooth and even, and with basswood that's very simple to do. So let me get this loaded up, and here we go. And so now we have the face cut in. Now I'm going to use my flame burr, and I'm just going to work from the head down, okay? Outside the veil of the gown, straighten up the line as I go. I'm going to lower the wings just a little bit, and I want the praying hands to be just as high as the hood, okay? So the praying hands, I'm just going to leave it for now, I'm just going to leave how they are. When it comes time to get rid of at least the bulk of this corner, then we'll mess with those. But I'm going to do a fairly deep feather. So here we go. So now that I got the depth I want, I'm going to switch to a smaller chisel burr as soon as I can find it in my mess of burrs here. There it is. Get my big fat fingers in there to get it. But anyhow, I'm going to use this to get the curve of the gown on the front. I got the depth with the plain burr. So now I'm shaping. So what do you say we get to it? All right, now let's give it a sand. And this is Papaw's Angel, all sanded, and I'm going to do another video on when I'm painting them. So, thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. And if you're new to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and share it with your friends. So, and remember, you saw it here on Nate's Carving Creations. So until next time, keep on carving.